Come to small town Cloverdale and plant your roots here in this beautiful, spacious home which offers full lower level living. Located in the cottages at Cloverdale, this highly esteemed subdivision is not managed by ANHOA. A favorite among the Christopherson Cottages two-story homes, the Rosewood model is highly sought after because of its excellent floor plan. The attractive stonework, appealing shade tree, and seasonal flowers are sure to please all of your guests. The vaulted entry is lit with recessed lighting, and clerestory windows which highlight the impressive slate tile work and neutral paint with its green tones. The same striking slate is throughout most of the lower level with plenty of recessed lighting and walls of windows to allow the highlights to shine through. French doors lead to the backyard, while the sliding glass door leads to the fully and separately fenced side yard. The living room, dining area and kitchen are all within the same location, making this floor plan ideal for large gatherings. The dining area, accented by a light fixture reminiscent of a spherical bird's nest, has natural separation due to the perimeter layout of the home's exterior walls. Dark wood-toned cabinets and stainless steel appliances further enhance the stunning colors and the beautiful slate tile work found throughout the great room. The island upgrade along with the mini cabinets, including a pantry, really make this kitchen functional. The circular layout adds to the functionality of this kitchen. Designed for large gatherings, this kitchen includes 2 dishwashers. This kitchen is bordered with a peninsula where you can set out appetizers or chat with friends and family sitting at the counter. The stainless steel, 5-burner, gas range includes a griddle and the under cabinet fixtures provide additional counter lighting for great visibility. It's easy to stay connected during gatherings with this great room floor plan. The dining area light fixture, reminiscent of a spherical bird's nest, provides intricate light patterns. The gas fireplace adds to the warm ambience. The walls of windows provide light and the glass French doors open fully to the backyard, making it easy to enjoy your outdoor space. The hall with the white doors leads to multiple areas. First, the door that is fully shown leads to storage under the stairs. Next, the garage, followed by the linen closet, master bedroom, laundry room, and converted coat closet. The master bedroom has been renovated with attractive newer paint and laminate plank flooring. Behind the door on the left is the walk-in closet with a must-have closet kit. More shelving in the bathroom for essentials and non-essentials. The soaking tub is spacious and there is a double vanity. The walk-in closet comes with a very functional closet kit and additional unattached shelving. The laundry room comes with a front-loading washer and a dryer.